What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Lately it feels like you can't scroll through keyboard TikTok or Reddit without seeing this thing. So today we're finally unboxing and putting the incredibly popular Aula F99 Pro to the test. We've got both the black and blue variants, and we're going to find out if it lives up to the hype or if it's just all talk. We're talking tri-mode connectivity, a massive battery, and a typing sound that everyone is describing as Thocky. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know if this is the budget keyboard king. Right out of the box, you get a really good first impression. First and foremost, it comes with a clear plastic dust cover. A simple touch, but honestly, all keyboards should include these. You also get a USB Type-C cable for charging and wired use, a combined keycap and switch puller, and some spare switches. And that last point is key because these keyboards are hot-swappable. That means you can easily pull out and replace the switches if you want a different feel, a different sound, or if one ever stops working. To see this at this price point is absolutely fantastic. Now let's look at the boards themselves. We have the 98% layout, which gives you a numpad while still saving a ton of space. The build is a sturdy plastic, and it has adjustable feet on the back for better ergonomics. Now a key difference between our two models, the keycaps. Both are made of durable, fade-resistant PBT material, which is a huge win. But the black version has south-facing, shine-through keycaps, so the RGB really pops through the legends. The blue version, however, has these beautiful, dye-sublimated PBT keycaps, but they are not shine-through, so it's a trade-off between aesthetics and functionality. But the real magic of this keyboard isn't just how it looks, it's how it feels and sounds. And let me tell you, it is fantastic. Aula uses a multi-layer sound dampening structure inside. We're talking foam, silicone, the works. This eliminates that hollow, cheap echo and gives you a deep, refined, and satisfying thock. The switches are pre-lubed linears, so they're smooth and consistent right out of the box. And because of the gasket mount design, there's a slight pleasant flex when you type hard, which makes long sessions much more comfortable. Now let's get to what you really want to hear. This is a sound test of the Aula F99. You can probably hear it. The blue version has a slightly deeper, more satisfying sound in my ear, which is why I personally prefer it. But both are miles ahead of any typical gaming keyboard at this price. On the feature side, the Aula F99 is packed. You get tri-mode connectivity, Type-C wired, a super reliable 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for gaming, and Bluetooth 5.1 to connect up to 3 devices. Switching between your PC, laptop, and tablet is seamless. We have tested this on a laptop and desktop setup and found it could easily replace a KVM for switching between devices. There's vibrant, customizable RGB backlighting with tons of modes. And then there's the battery. An 8,000 milliamp hour battery is absolutely huge for a keyboard. In real-world use, with the RGB on, you can get a solid week. Turn the lights off, and you're looking at 2, maybe even 3 weeks of use on a single charge. It's genuinely impressive. So after spending a month with it, here's the breakdown. The pros. The typing experience and sound are top tier. The massive battery life is a game changer. You get all the connectivity you need. And the inclusion of hot swap and PBT keycaps makes it an incredible value. Now the cons. The software, while functional, isn't as polished as some bigger brands. The body is plastic, so it doesn't have the premium heft of an aluminum board. And as we saw, not all keycap sets have shine-through legends. So, what's the final verdict? The Aula F99 isn't just a good budget keyboard. It's a fantastic keyboard, period. For the price, what it offers is almost unbelievable. If you're looking for a wireless, great-sounding, mechanical keyboard that you can use for years and even customize down the line, the Aula F99 gets my highest recommendation. It absolutely earns the hype. But that's just our take. We want to hear yours. Have you tried the Aula F99? Let us know in the comments below what you think. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.